Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Silent Anarchist. If you're new here, let me introduce myself. My name is Nikita, your online study partner, and I have started my YouTube journey a few weeks back. If you haven't watched my videos, go check them out once. You will really love them. And so today, our topic for today is to, update ourselves or revise the stuff that we've studied for the organics chemistry class 12. So, organics, we started with organics first because it forms the bulk matter of the marking scheme of class 12th board exam, and it amounts to almost 33 marks, and hence the the first chapter, that is haloalkenes and haloarenes. So in every organic chapter, the most important things are chemical properties, physical properties, chemical reactions, and basic methods of preparation. If these four things are clear, you can tackle any organic question. So, starting off with methods of preparation of alkyl halides with electrophilic substitution, addition of halogens, and from alcohols, halogen exchange. So, there are some name reactions like Finkelstein and Swartz reaction. Then there is the general methods of aryl halides, the general methods of preparation for aryl halides, and it amounts to the direct halogenation of benzene from benzene diazonium chloride. Then the classification of haloalkenes and haloarenes, like on the basis of their hybridization, if they are sp3 hybridized or sp2 hybridized, or on the basis of their number of X atoms attached to the carbon chain. So, in organics, we've studied all this. Then comes the reactions like elimination reactions, and the most important thing that our teacher told us is the optical isomerism, then SN1 reactions, SN2 reactions, and the properties like chirility, achirility, and enantiomers and diastereomers. So all these things are really important, and mesocompounds. Then the chemical properties of alkyl halides and nucleophilic substitution reactions. So these are the topics that are included in the organic chapter. Then the name reactions are Wurtz-Fittig reaction, then electrophilic substitution reaction. So the next important thing that includes in this chapter are the polyhalogen compounds, the chloroform and iodoform. These are the compounds that are important, and the detailed study of these compounds, DDT. These are included in the polyhalogen. So this was the last topic in this chapter, and our teacher, specially stressed on this part because he was like, यहाँ से क्वेश्चंस बनते हैं, एंड वन ऑफ यू गाइज सेड दैट मेक अ वीडियो इन हिंदी. सो गाइज, मेरी हिंदी बहुत ख़राब है, डोंट जज मी ऑन दैट, एंड फॉर दैट, एज ऑफ दैट मैटर, I continue in English because it's my comfort language. And then the next thing that comes is, so tomorrow we'll be starting with the next chapter, that is the alcohols, phenols, and ethers. This is the second chapter of the Organics Chemistry Part 2 book, and I hope that you guys are also studying and revising at the very same moment, because when you study a topic, revising what you studied, and you should be able to recollect everything that you've studied. And time to time revision is important. I'm starting with MTG NCRT fingerprints for the practice papers. You can also buy them, and they're really very helpful. So as you guys know, I've not purchased any paid batch or any offline coaching center till now. I'm not going to any coaching center. I don't know why. I'm still researching on that matter, and I hope that I get it very soon. Suggest something in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, comment down what you need next, and I'll cover it in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you. Take care.